This is the Daily Market Comment by Mario Sajigiriakos. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. Global markets are in a good mood on Monday, with commodity currencies recovering and Wall Street set for a 1.5% higher open following a whatever-it-takes moment from Fed Chairman Powell. In remarks published over the weekend, the Fed chief poured cold water on hopes for a V-shaped bounce, warning that for the economy to make a full comeback, it may require a coronavirus vaccine so that people feel confident again. Yet the markets took heart by some follow-up comments where Powell reaffirmed the Fed is not out of ammunition and that there's really no limit to what we can do, hinting that quantitative easing purchases can be ramped up. Hence, the Fed sees a slow recovery ahead, so it will keep the pedal to the metal, a signal strong enough not only to boost stocks, but also propel gold to a new 7.5-year high. Meanwhile, on Friday, U.S.-China tensions escalated further after the White House moved to ban U.S. chip makers from supplying Huawei. Relations between the two nations were already icy cold before the pandemic, but things have escalated to a new level lately as Trump pins the blame for the outbreak on Beijing. The icing on the cake is that Senate Republicans seem to have very little appetite for any more fiscal stimulus. All told, bets for more Fed stimulus have calmed nerves for now, but the positive mood may be built on shaky foundations given all the risks. Over in the UK, the pound has been besieged lately by concerns around the government's handling of the health crisis and by fears the exploding fiscal deficit might result in belt-tightening down the road, crippling demand as the recovery begins. The latest leg lower in cable, though, came after another round of Brexit negotiations concluded without progress. That means a no-deal Brexit at year-end would become the default, and while this may ultimately be a negotiating ploy, it's still difficult to have any confidence in the pound ahead of what promises to be a drama-packed summer. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.